bigger than a monster truck. Big movers. Big movers. Have you ever seen a monster truck? Monster trucks are big. They are the biggest vehicle. But what even bigger than a monster truck? Vehicles that move things and people. The dock. The dock is a truck that can travel on both land and water. On land, the dock moves around on 6 wheels. In the water, the docks float like a boat. The dock can carry people to places that are hard to reach. Vehicle bridge. This vehicle bridge is a bridge that can move. Other vehicles can drive over the bridge. When the bridge is no longer needed, it floats up into the vehicle. Cranes. Cranes lift and move heavy things. Some cranes help workers build tall buildings. Others are used to move goods from ship to land. Dump trucks. The world's biggest dump trucks are used at mines. Miners use these trucks to carry rocks and dirt. The trucks use some of the biggest trays in the world. Their tires are twice as tall as a person. Overland trains. These trains are used to move heavy things to places without roads. The trains move on big wheels instead of on train tracks. Each wheel is taller than a person, bigger than monster truck. Moving spade. Vehicles. Some of the world's biggest vehicles were made to move things that go into space. They carry space vehicle on a high platform. These vehicles are so wide that they need their own road. Vehicles that dig. Giant power shovels. Engineers use giant power shovels to dig rocks and dirt out of mine. Giant power shovels have a big bucket that can break into the earth and scoop it up. Tunnel diggers. These vehicles dig under the surface of the earth. They can even move through solid rock. Bagger 288, the largest vehicle in the world, is the Bagger 288. This huge vehicle digs mines at the Bagger 288 is almost as long as 2 football fields. It's digged with a huge wheels. The wheels have buckets along the edge that scoop up dirt as the wheel turns. The Bagger 288 is big enough to move mountains. Big vehicles are used in many ways. These vehicles both below the ground. Gigantic vehicles vehicles have gotten much bigger over the years. Some of these vehicles keep getting bigger and bigger. How did are they to get?
Vehicles